been a long time since I made a video. So yeah guys, I haven't made a video in about 3 weeks and it's been pretty stressful because I found out that my S2K, either I have a vent valve or a burnt valve. That's the cause of my misfire, but I'll go into more detail on that. Shout out to the GoPro right there, GoPro mount. So yeah, she's looking pretty good, she's looking pretty clean. I just need to clean up the headlights. As you can tell, they're really fogged, so that's another video right there, little project to do. But yeah guys, this sucks. Basically, I was trying to solve my misfire issue. I had the coil packs changed. What else did I do? Spark plugs. I did that. Then I got a compression test done, and my cylinder number 1 had, I think, like 130, 140. So it was pretty low. Everything else was around 200. Cylinders 2, 3, and 4 were around 200. So cylinder 1 has an issue. So yeah, it's most likely a bent or burnt valve, but I have an appointment to take it in about a week from now. I'm going to take it into Inline Pro. They're the ones that have been working on it, and they're pretty good with S2000, so I'll take it over to them and get this car fixed. I'm not sure if I should put in, since the head's gonna have to come off, I'm not sure if I should just go ahead and put in like Ferrea valves or Super Tech valves. The valve train kit, might as well. I'm not sure. That's why I'm on S2KI right now, doing a lot of research and whatnot. Because if it's gonna be open, you might as well just, beef it up in there. And yeah. So you guys, just want to give you a little update about that. I'm about to head to a car meet in like an hour from now, so it's just a little update video. I'm also gonna film a car meet, so I gotta go home and charge my